This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I'll show how you can factory reset this device through its settings. So at the start you will need to launch the Settings app and scroll these settings categories all the way to the bottom. Now enter the System section, go into the Reset options. Here select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Then before you proceed with this process, make sure to back up all the data that of importance to you, since the factory reset procedure, as you can see, will erase all files and data from your device. So take care of the files and data you value. Now press Erase All Data, input the screen lock if you have one set. Once again, press Erase All Data button to confirm, and now all that is left to do is for us to wait for this procedure to be finished, and we'll know that it is indeed done when we see the initial system setup screen. So let's wait for that. And well, as you can see, that's it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.